press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Dear students, in the previous class we have seen the distance formula. Today let us discuss some problems on the applications of distance formula. As I have already told you, distance formula is used in collinearity of points. Now let us take one problem on collinearity of points. Show that the points show that the points 2 comma minus 4, 4 comma minus 2, 4 comma minus 2 and 7 comma 1 are collinear and 7 comma 1 are collinear. So as I have already told you, first you have to find the three distances. When 3 points are there, we have three distances. One is, let us take this as A and this as B, this as C. So what is AB? Square root of x2 minus x1, that is 4 minus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus of minus 4 whole square. 4 minus 2 is 2. 2 square is 4. Again 2 square is 4. That gives you root 8, which is written as 2 root 2. That is 4 into 2. That can be written as 2 root 2. What is BC? Square root of BC 7 minus 4 whole square, x2 minus x1 same type, plus y2 minus y1, 1 plus minus of minus means plus 2 whole square. 7 minus 4 is 3 square is 9, 1 plus 2 is 3 square is 9, root 18, that root 18 is nothing but 9 into 2, which is written as 3 root 2. So that is BC. Similarly, you can find the last distance AC. So first point and the last point. x2 minus x1 square root of 7 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 1 minus of minus 4 plus 4 whole square. 7 minus 2 is 5 square is 25. 1 plus 4 is 5 square is 25. 25 plus 25 is root 50. That root 50 is written as 5 root 2. As I have told you, the sum of any two distances must be equal to the third distance. ಎಲ್ಲಿ add ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಮೂರನೇ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. The distance AB is 2 root 2. The distance BC is 3 root 2. So if you add these two, you are getting 5 root 2. So sum of two distances, that is AB plus BC, is equal to ಏನಾಗಿದೆ AC. That is AB plus BC is equal to 2 root 2 plus 3 root 2. That must be equal to 3 root 2. That must be equal to 5 root 2, which is same as AC. Therefore, sum of any two distances is equal to the third distance. We can say that the points are collinear. The given points are collinear. Similarly, you can try one more problem at home. Same on the collinearity of points itself. Minus 2, 3. Minus 6, 4. And minus 10, 5. These are also collinear, that you have to prove in the same way. Minus 2, 3, minus 6, 4 and minus 10, 5. They are collinear. I hope you can do this problem at home. Now let us come to triangle. So different types of triangles. Now let us take 2, 4. 2, 4. 2, 6. 2 plus root 3, 5. These are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Sorry, equilateral triangle. So equilateral triangle means, let us take this as A, this as B, this as C. You have to show that all the three sides of the triangle are equal. So what is AB? Square root of x2 minus x1, 2 minus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 6 minus 4 whole square. 2 minus 2 is 0 square is 0. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 square is 4. So root 4. You can keep it as it is or you can simplify. No need of simplifying here. Simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಾವು ಬರೀ collinearity of points ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ simplify ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. Add ಮಾಡೋದು, subtract ಮಾಡೋದು ಇವೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾವೆ. What is BC? Square root of, again, x2 minus x1, 2 plus root 3 minus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus 6 whole square. Yes. Plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Root 3 whole square is 3. 5 minus 6 is minus 1 whole square is plus 1. Again, here also you are getting root 4. AB aitu, BC aitu, and then you can come to AC. What is AC? x2 minus x1, 2 plus root 3 minus 2 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus 4 5 minus 4 whole square. So plus 2 minus 2 cancel. Root 3 whole square is 3. 1 square is 1. So root 4. All these distances are same, means the lengths of the sides are equal. When the lengths of the sides are equal, then you can conclude that AB is equal to BC is equal to AC. So it means that triangle ABC is equilateral. Triangle ABC is equilateral. ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆನಾ? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬರೋದಾಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಟೈಪ್ ಒಂದು ಐಸೋಸಿಲಸ್ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ರಿ. 7, 9 and then 3, minus 7. 3, minus 7. Minus 3, 3 are the vertices of isosceles triangle. So this you have to prove that these are the vertices of isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle means two sides of the triangle must be equal. Two sides, any two sides. Either AB may be equal to BC, or AB may be equal to AC, or BC may be equal to AC. So like that you have to prove that two sides of the triangle are equal. And then now let us come to the third one, that is isosceles right angled triangle. So let us erase this. Okay. Isosceles right angle triangle. 2, 4. Sorry, minus 2, 5. Minus 2, 5. 3 comma minus 4. And 7 comma 10. These are the vertices of, yes, isosceles right angled triangle. ಎರಡಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. Isosceles ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ವರ್ಡ್ ಇದೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು right angle triangle ಇದೆ. Isosceles ಅಂದ್ರೆ two sides must be equal. Right angle triangle ಅಂದ್ರೆ they must obey those distances must obey the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Again, you need to calculate the distances first. Here the distances are nothing but the sides of the triangle. What is AB? Square root of x2 minus x1 3 plus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 4 minus 5 whole square. Yes, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 square is 25, 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 square is 81, 81 plus 25 is root 106, root 106. And then we can calculate BC. What is BC? 7 minus 3 whole square plus 10 minus of minus 4 whole square. 7 minus 3 is 4. 4 square is 16 plus 196. That gives you root 212. AC. What is AC? Square root of AC. 7 minus of minus 2 plus 2 whole square plus 10 minus 5 whole square. Y2 minus y1. 7 plus 2 is 9. Its square is 81. 10 minus 5 is 5. Its square is 25. So that gives you root 106. So just observe these two distances. AB and AC are equal. That is, two sides are equal. So therefore triangle is isosceles. AB is equal to AC. Let us call this statement as 1. And secondly, you have to verify the Pythagoras theorem. So which is the biggest side? You have to take the square on the biggest side. That must be equal to sum of the squares on the remaining sides. So smaller sides are AB and AC. AB square plus AC square. What is AB? Root 106 whole square plus AC square means root 106 whole square. So that is 106 plus 106. 106 plus 106 is 212. What is 212? Root 212 whole square. So AB square plus AC square, that must be equal to BC square. So call this statement as 1. From the statement 1, we can say that the triangle is isosceles. From the statement 2, we can say that the triangle is right angle. From the statements 1 and 2, we can conclude that the triangle is isosceles right angled triangle. Isosceles right angled triangle. Okay. So this is about the concept of triangles. Next. Now let us come to quadrilateral. Quadrilateral parallelogram barutte, rectangle barutte, rhombus barutte, square barutte. These are the different types of quadrilaterals. First let us take one by one. Square 4 1. 4 1. 1 6 minus 4 3. Minus 4 3 and minus 1 minus 2. These are the vertices of a square that you have to prove. Vertices of a square anta prove ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಯಿತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ square in a features sides alli in terms of sides alli all the sides must be equal. In terms of diagonals alli the diagonals are also equal. So let us take, this is the vertex A, vertex B, vertex C, vertex D. Okay, first we have to calculate all the sides. What is AB? Square root of x2 minus x1, 1 minus 4 whole square, plus y2 minus y1, 6 minus 1 whole square. 1 minus 4 is 3, 3 square is 9, 6 minus 1 is 5, 5 square is 25. That is, you are getting root 34. All the distances must be equal to root 34. Then only we can say that all the sides are equal. Similarly, calculate BC. So what is BC? So second and third vertex. Minus 4 minus 1 whole square. Minus 4 minus 1 plus 3 minus 6. 3 minus 6 whole square. Minus 5 whole square is 25 plus 3 square is 9. 25 plus 9, that gives you root 34. So this is AB, this is BC. And then we can come to CD. Square root of CD. Minus 1 minus of minus 4 whole square plus minus 2 minus 3 whole square. 4 minus 1 is 3 square is 9. Minus 5 whole square is 25 plus 9. That gives you root 34. And then AD, the last distance. AD. AD means the first vertex at the last vertex. This is A. And this is D. x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 4 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 1 whole square. Yes, 5 square is 25 plus 3 square is 9. Again, this is also root 34. And also you have to prove that the diagonals are equal. Diagonals means alternate vertices form the diagonals. AC is a diagonal. Just I have marked there. What is AC? Square root of minus 4 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 1 whole square. Yes, minus 4 minus 4 means minus 8 whole square is 64 plus 2 square means 4. 64 plus 4 is 68. This is AC. Similarly, you have to find distance between second and fourth vertex, which is another diagonal. So what is BD? Yes, x2 minus x1 minus 1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 minus 2 minus 6 whole square. Yes, minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus 8 whole square is 64. 64 plus 4 is 68. See, diagonals are equal. And these four sides are also equal. So first conclusion is AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. Diagonals are equal. Sorry, sides are equal. And then AC is equal to BD. AC is equal to BD. The diagonals are equal. From these two statements, we can conclude that the given vertices or the given points are the vertices of a square. Okay. I hope you can do one more problem of the same kind. 0, minus 1. 0, minus 1. 2, 1. 0, 3. 0, 3. And the last vertex is minus 2, 1. So this is for square. And one more problem I will give you, and I will explain how you have to do that problem. 3, minus 2, 7, 6, 3, minus 2, 7, 6, minus 1, 2, minus 1, 2, and the last vertex is minus 5, minus 6. Minus 5, minus 6. So these vertices or these points form the rhombus. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ಗೂ ರಾಂಬಸ್ಗೂ ಏನ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಹಿಂದಿನ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೇನೆ. ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ 4 ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ರಾಂಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಈ 4 ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಸಿಮಿಲಾರಿಟಿ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ರಾಂಬಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇರೋ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಏನು? ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ನಾನು, ಬೇರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಬಹಳ ಇದಾವೆ ನೋಡ್ರಿ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಸ್ ಏನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಆದ್ರೆ ರಾಂಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಯಾಗನಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? ಅನ್ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎ ಬಿ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಎ ಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ರಾಂಬಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವೆಲ್ಲವೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಬರ್ತವೆ. ಎ ಸಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಬಿ ಡಿ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ನೀವೇನ್ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? ಎ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡಿ. By means of these two calculations, by means of these two statements, we can say that the given points are the vertices of a rhombus. Okay. So illige square ಆಯ್ತು, rhombus ಆಯ್ತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನ್ ಬರೋಣ ನಾವು? ರೆಕ್ಟಾಂಗಲ್ ಪ್ಯಾರಲೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಈಗ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, rectangle in a parallelogram. Minus 3, 1. Just let us do one problem on parallelogram. Minus 6, minus 7. Minus 6, minus 7. 3, minus 9. And the last vertex is 6, minus 1. These are the vertices of, yes, parallelogram. So parallelogram means opposite sides are equal and parallel. But we cannot prove the parallelism using distance formula. We can prove only the opposite sides are equal. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಆಗಿರೋದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು? ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಮಾತ್ರ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಪ್ಯಾರಲಲ್ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸ್ಲೋಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗತ್ತೆ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಟು ಶೋ ದಟ್ ದ ಅಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಬಿ? x2 minus x1 minus 6 minus of minus plus 3 whole square plus minus 7 minus 1 whole square Yes, 3 square is 9. 8 square is minus 7 minus 1. 8 square is 64. 64 plus 9 becomes 73. This is AB. BC, the second distance. x2 minus x1, 3 minus of minus plus 6 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 minus 9 minus of minus 7 whole square. 3 plus 6 is 9. 9 square is 81. 2 square is 4. 81 plus 4 is 85. This is BC, ABI to BCI. Next is CD. What is the CD? Last 2 points. 6 minus 3 whole square, x2 minus x1, plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus of minus plus 9 whole square. Okay. 6 minus 3 is 3. 3 square is 9. 8 square is 64. So that gives you root 73. And then the last distance must be AD. Side, it is also a side. AD, 6 minus of minus plus 3 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 minus 1 whole square. 9 square is 81, 2 square is 4. 81 plus 4 is 85. See, opposite sides AB and CD are equal. BC and AD are equal. Opposite sides are equal. And in a rectangle also the opposite sides are equal. How do you differentiate between the parallelogram and the rectangle? In rectangle, the diagonals are unequal. In rectangle, the diagonals are equal. Whereas in parallelogram, the diagonals are not equal. So, you have to show that AC is not equal to BD in case of parallelogram. What is AC? First and third vertex, square root of 3 plus 3 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 minus 9 minus 1 whole square. 3 plus 3 is 6 square is 36 plus 100. That gives you root 136. Similarly, the second diagonal is BD. BD, second vertex and the fourth vertex, square root of 6 plus 6 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 minus 1 plus 7 whole square. 6 plus 6, 12 square is 144. 6 square is 36. So that gives you root 180. See, the diagonals are unequal. Diagonals are unequal. Hence, the points, given points must be the vertices of a parallelogram. Diagonals equal bandittu ondidre enagta ittu, the given points form the vertices of a rectangle. Illi nodri, AB is equal to CD. Opposite sides are equal. This happens in the case of rectangle also. BC is equal to AD. One more pair of opposite sides are equal. So it also happens in the case of rectangle. But how do you differentiate between the rectangle and parallelogram? Here AC is not equal to BD. AC is not equal to BD. So that is parallelogram. AC is equal to BD. That is rectangle. Okay. So I hope this much information is enough for you to enter into your first year, and then we can move towards the division or section formula in the next class. Okay, thank you.